ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, meaning and definitions of service, examples of service, and what are the difference between goods and service, then characteristics of service. In this video, meaning of service marketing, and then what are the components of service marketing mix, then applications of service marketing mix in hospital and tourism. Service marketing. Service marketing is a specialized branch of marketing. It is emerged as a separate field of study in the early 1980s. And service marketing and typically refer to both business to consumer and business to business service. It includes marketing of different classes of service such as telecommunication, financial, hospitality, tourism, entertainment, healthcare, professional, trade, merchant banking, investment advisory, etc. And good marketing has only 4 P's such as product, price, promotion and place. Service marketing is considered as the extent of marketing mix because it is not only included in the earlier 4 P's used in good marketing mix but also other 3 P's such as people, physical evidence and product. The service marketing mix has 7 P's. Service marketing definitions. American Marketing Association defined service marketing as an organizational function and a set of processes for identifying and creating, communicating and delivering value to customers and for managing customer and relations in a way that benefit to the organizations and stakeholders. Service marketing mix. As explained previously, the service marketing also known as an extend marketing mix. It consists of 7 P's and combinations of 7 P's of a product marketing mix. 7 P's and product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence. Service marketing mix 7 P's: product, price, place, promotion, process, people and physical evidence. These all factors are included in service marketing mix. Service marketing mix of hospital. The essence of any marketing activities, it is marketing mix. A marketing mix has been defined the set of marketing tools used to pursue marketing objectives. Earning the profit, delivering the good service, creating satisfied the customers, building the goodwill, etc. Hospitals are a service institution, therefore, in order to stratify their marketing objectives, they prepare the marketing mix by incorporating the various components. Components of hospital marketing mix. The various components or elements of a hospital marketing mix included: first, product means emergency service, ambulance service, diagnostic service, pharmacy service, etc. And price. Price determining the price, government controls and auxiliary service offer professional ethics. And place. Size of the healthcare market, number and types of competitors in the region, and potential consumer segment, local infrastructure, transportation network, quality of road. Next, promotion, advertising, personal selling, sales promotion and publicity. And people, nursing staff, paramedical staff, lab technicians, supporting staff and front executives, managerial staff, office accounting staff. Process, joining phase and incentive, consumption phase and discharge of a patient, and feedback from patient. Physical evidence, goods choice for physician, doctor, patient safety measure, patient education, signboard at appropriate place, dress code for staff, departmentations, well equipped cabin for doctors, good diagnostics and good lighting. These all components are included in the hospital. Tourism market service marketing makes the travel and tourism industry is one of the largest business in the world commerce. Components of tourism marketing mix. The various components or elements of a tourism marketing mix includes: and first, product and attractions includes natural attractions, man-made attractions and cultural attraction. Facilities, accommodation, restaurant, others. And transportation, road, railway, water, air. Okay, next, price. Discount pricing, variable pricing, promotional pricing, loss leader pricing. Place, attraction, accommodation, hotel, entertainment, park, shopping, mall, etc. Next, promotion. Advertising the tourism product and distributing attractive materials and setting point of display at different to inform about tourism product, local fairs, weekly market and festivals. Then people and tour operators, travel agents, travel companies, personal sales staff, guides, hotel staff, restaurant staff. Then process and provisions of travel informations and preparations of itineraries and licensed with service provider and planning and costing tours. And then physical evidence means comfortable seating and sitting layout, design the resort and servicemen at the destination, seeing post boat, etc. These all points are elements or components are included in the tourism service marketing mix. Thank you. Thank you.